Withdrawing money from Reddit to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Access your Reddit account. Log into your Reddit account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account that has the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Navigate to Reddit Coins or Rewards. Go to the section where you can manage your Reddit coins or rewards. This is typically found in your profile or account settings. Step 3. Choose Withdrawal option. Look for an option to withdraw your funds. This may be labeled as Withdraw, Cash Out, or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter bank account details. You will need to provide your bank account information for the withdrawal. Fill in the required fields accurately, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review all the information you have entered to ensure it is correct. Once confirmed, submit your withdrawal request. You should receive a notification regarding the status of your transaction. Once you have completed these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Make sure to check your bank for the deposit after a few business days.